all the assets sa servers nyo to do the impact analysis, to do the existing controls. And that is the one that you will going to submit to us.
Next year.
Before the end of the year. Wala mong papasok.
2025.
Wala na huli this assessment.
Di ba 2025? Gusto kami
This year, kasi pag hindi natin napasa yun, hindi tayo makapag-work.
Okay. December 20.
Mukhang mag-overtime tayo mamaya ng social study.
Hindi ako mag-attend.
Hindi mo mag-attend.
Sige. Importante.
Pero, ikaw na raw ba magbabayad no? Alam ko. Magkati alam natin. Natanong ni sir, magkano bibigyan?
Who would like to go first?
Magkati lang natin.
Sige, para
Ay, sorry. Hindi ko nasabi. Before you put it on the Google Drive, I want you to sort it based on the column of risk from highest to lowest. And then we will share the top 3. I want to look at the top 3.
Mamaya na, hindi pa tayo tapos. I'm excited.
Alam niyo naman kung paano siya no? So,
hindi namin alam sir.
Kasi I've been instructed to end this report kasi may 40 pa daw.
Mamaya na, excited ka naman. Nakakagulat, hindi ka nawawala.
sino?
That's smart. That's smart. Doon ka sa pagod. Di ba? Ikaw?
Sa Paranaque naman.